Hello, Laura. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And thank you so much for taking my call earlier and just kind of giving me the permission to shoot this video for you guys. Now, I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy out there in Colorado Springs. But I just basically wanted to break down some tips and tricks for you guys onto how to increase your online presence and how to increase your online relevancy as well, right? And I know what you guys are probably thinking that why I would even make a video, for like this for you guys. And to be honest with you, most owners of roofing companies are just way too busy, just moving their business along and doing the day to day, and they don't really understand or maybe grasp the concept of how the internet can bring them even more of that business, right? To just maintain a constant revenue of customers. So basically what I'm going to do for you guys today is I'm going to break down three things, okay? The first thing we're going to break down today is content. Secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks. And then lastly, we're going to talk about citations, okay? Now, if you don't know what those things are, no worries. I'm going to break it all down for you. So, first things first, as I was navigating your website, even before I started filming, I just had to say that it was super easy to just kind of move around. All the links that I did click on, it all seemed to work, so no disputes here. It actually looks like whoever built this website for you actually did take the time to pay attention to detail, right? So, with that being said, Google cares more about content than anything else, right? And content is just the amount of words that you have on your website, right? And Google also wants to see relevant keywords. So if I were to just put your content here from your landing page onto my word counter, so it says that you have here 316 words, okay? Now, a really authoritative website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on their landing page alone, right? With relevant keywords like roofers, Colorado Springs, roofing companies in Colorado Springs, things like that, right? Things that people actually search for with the area involved. Those are keywords, and Google counts that, and it allows you to be more visible, right, to the customers that are actually looking to connect with a business such as yourself, right? So I would want to include those keywords like that, and then obviously upping your content, right? So upping the amount of words you have here on your landing page. So just even if you wanted to go over 1,000, just have 1,000, maybe 1,100 words on your landing page. That would greatly increase your visibility. Okay. Now, secondly, what I did, I went on ahead and put your website here in my tool. It's called Ahrefs. Now, this is a paid tool, but there are free tools out there at your disposal just by Googling keyword researcher or a backlink checker for free, things like that. You could see basically what I'm seeing on my end, okay? Now, I wanted to pull this up just so you could see that I wasn't lying to you or making numbers up or anything like that, because what Ahrefs allows me to see is basically, it pulls back the curtain. It allows me to see kind of what's going on in the background of your website, right? It allows me to see the backlinks you have. It breaks down statistics. It does some pretty cool analysis. But according to my tool here, you have 89 referring domains. Basically, what that is you have 89 other websites that are linking to you, okay? They're doing so 2,740 times, okay? You have 81 keywords in your entire website, and you have roughly 11 people visiting your website on average, right, per month, bringing you a total of $66 in traffic value. Now, excuse me, I went on ahead and did the same thing for your competitors, okay, which is AmeriPro Roofing. Now check this out. They have 262 referring domains, 1,570 backlinks, okay? You have more backlinks than them by at least 1,000, okay? But they have 2,500 keywords, bringing them a total of 2,700 people to visit their website on average per month. And look at their traffic value. They're at 14,500. So basically what that tells me, even though you have more backlinks than they do, okay, over 1,000 more, it just tells me that the quality of their backlinks they're purer than yours, right? So basically what that means is, okay, so Google knows that you are not a restaurant, right? It knows that you're not an Arby's or anything like that. So it doesn't want any restaurant or anything that's not relevant to your niche or what you do in your business to link to you, okay? So I would highly recommend to take a look and kind of review the backlinks that you have and see what's linking to you that is not relevant to what you do, okay? They want to see roofing forums or roofing blogs or even other roofing businesses that are linking to you, pushing traffic to your website. It builds trust. Unfortunately, Google is a popularity contest, and they want to see other roofing companies, blogs, and forums and things like that linking to you, saying, basically vouching for you, saying like, hey, you know what? These guys are legit. Okay. And by doing that, or I should say, by not taking this tip seriously, you're leaving a lot of money on the table for your competitors to take, which is why their traffic value is at 14,000. Yours only at 66. Okay. So lastly, what I want to talk to you about are citations. Now, citations are just anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address to be found in a directory. Okay. Now, a directory is like Yelp. You've got Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, White Pages, just right off the back, right? Or just right off the top of my head, I should say. Those are a list of 5 different directories that you can put your business on, okay? There are also other directories that are local to Colorado Springs that you should use yourself as well. So having more directories than your competitors is how you end up landing here on this map pack. And if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? I don't know if you're like me, but I don't go down here to the 3rd or 4th page of Google to find what I'm looking for. I'm usually sticking to this map pack because I feel like it answers my question more precisely, right? And what I did is I Googled roofers, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and guess what? Divine Roofing Inc. was #1 in the area. So if you wanted to take this #1 spot, if these guys have anywhere between 100 or 150 different citations, I definitely want to one-up them, right? And go up to like 200 or 300 just to ensure that you're constantly dominating this #1 spot. You're getting all the calls, you're getting all that traffic to your website, and then essentially, right, you're getting that money into your pocket. So you're probably wondering what to do with this information from here, right? Well, there's 2 different, paths you can take. So the first path, just to review, you can up the amount of words that you have on your website and using relevant keywords, right, according to your niche. And I gave you those keywords earlier. Also, doing the research for your competitors' backlinks and kind of maybe skimming through yours, the ones that you have on your website, or the ones that are linking to your website, just to ensure that they're quality, right? And then lastly, doing the same thing with the citations, doing the research and seeing where your competitors are have their business info on which directories. So other than that, if you're looking to outsource some help, this is the other path you can take. If you're looking to outsource some help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me, and I could see what I could do about helping you guys out, okay? Again, thank you so much, Laura, for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate your time, and I hope that this information was helpful. If you guys just want to leave me some feedback on the video, that would be great. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.